Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start, just a quick reminder, please check the description for all the links, updated information and maybe a few special offers too. Everything you need is down there, so don't forget to have a look after watching this video. Okay, so let's talk about GoHighLevel pricing in 2025. If you are someone who is trying to start a digital agency or you want a good platform to handle your clients, then GoHighLevel is something you probably heard about. But the pricing can be a little confusing at first. Don't worry, I will break it down in easy words so you can understand what you are getting. So first of all, there is a basic plan which is $97 per month, and with this one you can get one account. That means it's just for you and your own businesses. You can use features like funnels, email marketing, calendar, website builder and many more. It's good if you don't need to manage other clients. And then there is another plan which is $297 per month, and this called the Agency Unlimited plan. This one is made for people who have clients or want to run a real agency. You can create unlimited sub accounts for your clients, which is a big deal if you plan to grow your business. So if you're serious about running an agency, this one makes more sense. Now, if you ask me which one is better for you and which one should you choose, well, if you are a solo user just testing or learning, then $97 per month plan is okay for you. But if you are offering services to other businesses or clients, then the $297 per month, this one is for you and what I believe. And if you want to go next level and build your own software businesses, then there is customized option maybe available. You can touch with them with the contact section, and with that they can maybe give you more feature, and they will provide the SaaS mode. And one last thing about GoHighLevel is that it offers 14 days free trial. So check the link in the description to see if it is available right now or not, and try this offer before you paying, and just to see how it feels for your work. So that's all for today. If you have any question about the plan or how to use them better, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and of course check the description for the links and updated information.